This is fried grasshopper. So let's give it a go. Add a little bit of vinegar put on it though. Good evening, guys. Another night, another market. So we're at Chill Bar Market in Phuket this evening. It's a big old market, so we got dropped off and we've just walked and got something to drink. But there's so much here by the looks of it. Loads of stalls, loads of food stalls, loads of, you know, souvenir bits, loads of clothing, everything. So we'll have a wander round, see what it looks like. So we've just sat having a chill before we go for a wander. It feels a little bit clinical here at the moment. It feels like, you know, you've got people stood around watching you. I just don't get the vibe of being relaxed at this moment in time, but maybe you know, that'll change as we go. It just feels a little bit different from when you're in Pattaya. So this is pretty amazing. There is literally tank after tank after tank of lobsters, I want to say. I don't know whether you'd say they're prawns or whatnot, but absolutely huge. Wow. And then you've got them on ice. Quite impressive. Now, I don't eat often lobster in the UK, but I am sure I probably wouldn't be able to afford it. Literally back-to-back food stalls here, guys. Everything you can ever want. Seafood, all the meats, vegetarian, you've got your smoothies, you've got your fruit and veg, everything is catered for here at Chill Bar Market in As always for the tourists, we've got the bugs, 20 baht per portion for some crickets. I don't know what they are. Fried crickets again. Scorpions are quite expensive, 500 bahts for a scorpion. I suppose that's about 11-12 quid. Fried house crickets, 20 bahts. And black bean cricket, 20 baht. Is this the time where I try one? Do you know what? Let's give it a go. Right guys, I'm going to give it a go. I know this is pretty lame compared to what some people do, but it's the first one I've had, so I'll give it a try. This is fried grasshopper, so let's give it a go. Add a little bit of vinegar put on it though. I'll take it and stick away. Not real much taste in them, to be honest, quite salty. They're alright. You can eat them like it's a snack, I would say. I might put these on the bar at the Wolverstein Club when I get home. Nah, they're all right. There's nothing special about them. I'm going to have to go up to the next level after this. Maybe in Bangkok we'll do something a little bit different. The scale of this place is just absolutely massive. Everywhere you look, there's just row upon row of food stalls. You know, the other side where we were a minute ago, there's loads of stuff selling clothes, souvenirs and all that type of stuff. So everywhere around you in Chilva market, it's just hustle and bustle. We're feeling it's yeah, it's all right. It's not bad. It's not bad. We're enjoying it. Okay, so we'll do a little bit of a walk down here and see what we've got. I do not know what they are, but it looks like something. Grilled cheese sandwiches. Wow. Looking very nice. So obviously you've got your bread and then you choose your cheese and they grill it up for you. Very good. And there is just masses and masses of chicken portions, fried chicken, all that type of stuff. Amazing. Just little bits that you can pick out as you go around, all in different sauces. Deep fried chicken, chicken on sticks, fish on sticks, crab on sticks, chicken feet, chicken legs, noodles, rice noodles, glass noodles. So this is a shrimp salad, and I actually believe you can say, right, skimp out my shrimps and they will cook, or well, add them to your salad. So it's called a jumping shrimp salad. So you put them in your salad while they're still alive, I think. I won't be trying that one. I'll give that one a miss. Some teriyaki. Looking really nice. And guys in the UK, I bet you have never seen an egg kebab. It scares me a little bit to see what they're like, but it's quite intriguing. So you can buy them as they are, eggs cooked inside. So I imagine it's like an hard-boiled egg inside, and then as you crack it open, you just eat it off the stick. But yeah, quite interesting. And again, pork ribs seems to be quite common over here, but they look really, really good. So it's 100 gram for 100 baht. So I'm just asking the guy to cut me off 100 gram. 100 baht, around about £2.20, £2.30, something like that. So he's having a weigh up.
150.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, go for that.
Okay.
Yeah. So they cut it down and just whack it on the grill for you to warm it up a little bit, brown it off. Okay, so they're gonna give it 5 minutes on the grill and then we'll come back and see what it's like. If you love your barbecue food, you are in luck when you come over here, because pretty much all this street food is really orientated around getting it on the barbecue, getting it on the grill. As you can see, lots of kebabs, lots of skewers, really nice. And that's cooking away nicely. Looking good. Now we're talking. Look at this. Lovely. Noodles being dished up. Very nice. They're looking really good with a little bit of veg in there as well. Lovely. And it just keeps coming. Different noodle dishes, like your chow mains. Once you've had all your food, you can come on to a little bit of a sweet one. So we've got double show, and swirls. Very nice. Some sushi offerings. Not something that I've ever had sushi, to be honest. They obviously have it in the UK, but it's something I've never got onto, so maybe at some point here. And we're back to, looks like sort of onion rings, battered onion rings, battered potato. It's just never ending. It's just never ending, guys. Oh, and look what we stumbled on. Wow. You've got the option of pretty much anything you want here. I think I'll have a soft drink. No. So I've decided to go for a Singer draft. This young man is helping me out by pouring it for me. 130 bahts. So I suppose that's getting on for around about £3. He's done that before, you can tell, look. That's it. A little bit of head on top. Lovely. Thank you, mate. So we've done all the food bits. Well, we didn't do all the food bits. We did a little selection of the food bits. So we're just going to have a little walk down the clothes section to see what's on offer. Handbags.
Ciao, mi fa tutto quanto.
And tight boxing shorts that I actually got given as a birthday present when I was in Cowsock Legend by the owners. So anyone into the football tops, you've got a full selection here. I do not see no Crew Alexandra. Maybe they're on order. Maybe they are. And as you come back to the front of the market, they've got all the stalls selling all different things, all different souvenirs. It's all lit up, as you can see. Well, we've done Chilver Market. Some nice food, some great stalls, lots going on. For me, personally, I enjoyed Runway in Pattaya better than this. No specific reason, I just felt the atmosphere, the ambience was a little bit different there to what it is here. But there's nothing to take away from this. It was really good. There's loads to do, loads to see, and you could spend a good few hours here mooching about, having a look at, you know, your souvenirs, your clothing, sitting down, taking in some of the tunes, having loads and loads of food. So we sampled loads of food as we went around. I didn't film it because it's not really that interesting watching me eating a little stick of pork or whatever. I filmed grasshoppers or crickets, whatever they were, just because that's a bit of a novelty. Do you know what I mean? And they just tasted like really like nothing, just with salt and vinegar on. So would I come back? Probably not, if I'm being honest. If I was here in Phuket again, I've done the Childa market and yeah, it was enjoyable, but you know, it's ticked off the list. As always, guys, I just want to say a big thank you for everyone who watches, anyone who likes, subscribes. It's really appreciated. The channel was designed not for mass subscribers. It was designed for people to maybe just get an insight into different locations where they might be visiting, different places, and just to think, you know, oh, is it worth a visit there? Is it not? So look, if you like, please put a thumbs up. If you don't like, put a thumbs down. That's fine. I've got no worries with that. It's all good. But we'll see you on the next one, guys. So thanks for joining.